Hello and welcome back. I was running out of these plastic covers for my sandblasting cabinet and I decided to Google maybe there is a solution for the sandblasting cabinet, and it is stainless steel mesh. I will share eBay link. Let's begin. Shall we? This is how it looks like now. I want to get rid of this protector film because it's getting dirty and non-visible through very quickly. Let's see, perfect fit, almost. No. Looks good, but can't see a thing now. So I will buff this window. Dirty as hell. I have buffed the glass and it looks better now. I also removed the adhesive tape leftovers. It's not perfect, but it's alright. I have placed the stainless steel mesh. Looks very promising. It's time to test it. The part is clearly visible.